So, Fed is out. We're going to jump into it right away. Technically speaking, with Jim Wyckoff coming up right now. Jim, how are you?
Hi, Alex. Good to see you.
So, Jim, massive curveball here. Everyone was expecting bonds to be tapered. It was just a question of by how much. And now this. What are your thoughts on what Ben Bernanke announced?
Well, indeed, Alex, the marketplace was really surprised that the Fed did not announce at least a degree of tapering of its monetary policy. I think the surprise to the Fed is the fact that the U.S. economy just has not shown the sustained growth that it wanted to see in order to start to scale back its monthly bond buying program. What it really does now is throws more uncertainty into the marketplace. We're seeing precious metals rally sharply in the immediate aftermath of the no tapering announcement. However, I suspect that may be short-lived. There are two scenarios that could occur here. We could see a game changer, at least a near-term game changer with today's FOMC news. It could spark rallies in the raw commodity sector markets based upon the notion that the Fed may not be able to cut back on its quantitative easing for some time to come, maybe many months if the U.S. economy continues to sputter. The other argument or the other notion would be that we're seeing a kind of a relief rally in the raw commodity markets, and especially in gold, and that soon the worries will come back into the marketplace because there is still keen uncertainty about the Fed's course of action on monetary policy going forward.
We'll stick with the theme of uncertainty here. Next up is the debt ceiling in about a month. Now, this is kind of taking a back seat of late with the Fed tapering all abuzz. But now it's very much a reality. It's coming upon us, like I said, in a month. What kind of impact could that have on metals prices?
Well, you're right, Alex. I suspect that traders will digest at least the no tapering FOMC move on this day. And by the time next week or so rolls around, the worry is going to be on other matters, including the debt ceiling. I don't right now has a good sense of what's going to play out here with the U.S. Congress and the U.S. administration here in the coming weeks. I suspect that as focus gets keener on that issue, that the marketplace is going to react in a more significant fashion. It really could go both ways for the precious metals. I mean, especially gold. You could see gold rally as a safe haven asset on this uncertainty. Or you could see gold act like a raw commodity and sell off with the other raw commodity sector markets on the notion that the wrangling and the even a stoppage of the U.S. government could hurt an already shaky U.S. economic recovery.
All right, sounds good, Jim. Let's move on to your Wyckoff market ratings for gold and silver.
Alex, the sharp rallies we've seen on Wednesday afternoon in both gold and silver have ratcheted my Wyckoff market ratings up a notch, but still not both gold and silver remain slightly tilted toward the bearish camp. I'm giving both gold and silver a rating of 4.5. This morning, the rating was 4.0, so it did uptick a notch. Importantly, I think if we see follow-through buying in gold and silver markets on Thursday and Friday, that is going to significantly improve the technical postures on a near-term basis for both those markets. Could actually put my Wyckoff market rating into the bullish territory by the end of the week. But we have to see that follow-through buying interest. If not, then I think you see gold and silver prices continue to trade in a sideways and choppy fashion for at least the near term.
And how about resistant levels for gold and silver?
Alex, for December COMEX gold, we've got resistance at the $1,400 level, given today's strong upside price move. Support at $1,300. For the silver market, we've got solid resistance in December COMEX futures at $23.25 solid technical support at the 2065 area.
Well, sounds good, Jim. Excellent insight as usual. Thank you for joining me today.
Can't wait till next time, Alex. Bye-bye.
And thank you for watching this edition of Technically Speaking. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to send them to newsfeedback@kitco.com, or you can reach me on Twitter @Alex_Letourneau. Have a good one.